Welcome everyone to this special video of No Nonsense Airbnb, where I'm going to show you how you can add amazing captions for your Airbnb photos. First, I will show you how it is done, and then I will show you a few setup steps which you need to do to be able to do this. So I'm logged into Airbnb from my computer. I will go to switch to hosting, and then I will go to my listing. It will land you on your listing editor. Now, to add captions to all the photos, you need to click on all photos first. And now we will go through all of these photos individually, open them first, and then right click and choose this option. That will generate a caption which automatically gets copied to your clipboard. All I need to do is go into the description and paste the text. Relax in the stylish living room featuring a cozy gray sofa, smart TV, and plenty of natural light. Click on save. You will get this kind of a description for every space. All you need to do is go into each image, right click, it will generate the caption, and once it is generated, just go in and paste it here. Productive workspace with natural light, a dedicated home office, plus cozy seating and all that. It is super easy, and you can see the captions generated are actually highlighting the key areas of each space. Click on save, and let me show you one more example before I show you how that option on the right click appears. So let me just go to the kitchen now, and I will right click and click on this option. It can take a few seconds sometimes because it is now reading the picture, and then once it is generated, click on paste. This is amazing. It will save you a lot of time and add value to your photo gallery at the same time. Now, to be able to do this, to get that option when you right click on the image, you have to go to a website, which I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Sign up for their free trial. They will prompt you to install a Chrome extension, which will look like this. And once you're signed up for the free trial, it will look like this. Now you need to click on account here. And under that, you will see AltText generation. And in the advanced section, I need you to copy this. I will leave this text in the description as well. Just copy and paste the same text into this section in AltText generation and click on save. After that, all you need to do is go to any image in your browser, right click, choose this option, and it will generate an amazing photo caption for that image. I really hope you find this video useful and give this tool a try. It is free, and as you can clearly see, it does add value to the photos and to your listing. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.